call me Jack Daddy. I like to build things. I figured I'd make some videos to show you guys how I build them. That's my rooster voodoo. Maybe you can learn some things, maybe you can enjoy watching this stuff, maybe you can build your own stuff. Alright, so I got a Nanuk 910 case, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to make this case fit specifically for my DJI OSMO gimbal and my Spark and the remote control. And then I'm going to put a few other little just compartments in there for batteries, offset balance weights for the gimbal, and just other little things like that. Maybe a lens for my iPhone, different things like that. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is lay out where you're going to want everything. And you want to make sure there's just enough space, where you still be able to have some foam in between everything. And then you'll lay it on that first layer of foam. And then you'll just take a Sharpie or something to mark, and you'll just trace around the edge of this. Now make sure that you leave yourself just enough space where it'll still fit down into the case. Alright, so I got mine traced, and now we just cut that out. So you can remove this layer of foam. You'll take it out of the case, and then you'll go cut this shape. Now you can use like a straight knife, a razor, or you can use a hot knife. If you got a hot knife, that might help you be able to cut right along those lines, nice and smooth all the way around. Alright, here it is. So we got it cut out. This is the best part. We get to put it back in the case and then watch everything fit. Hopefully. Alright, so that's in the case. We'll put our drone in. Nice. Put our gimbal in. And then our controller. There we go. And put this right here. And put the wings, extra spare wings right there. And we got a little bit of room for some batteries or some lenses or my balances. Yes, I put my balances in there. And my counterbalance. So right there and there. And there you have it. Watch it shut. Boom.